Hey, welcome. We're glad you're here. This training is not about catching you out or testing you. It's about giving you the tools to protect yourself and everyone at Lumen Analytics, because threats do happen, and they're getting smarter every day. Here's the reality. Over 3.4 billion phishing emails are sent every single day. And they don't just target big corporations. Mid-sized companies like ours are a primary target because attackers know we move fast and sometimes miss the signs. Meet Marcus. It's 5:45 p.m. He's been at his desk since 8 a.m. He's tired, he's got 2 tabs open, and he just wants to finish up and head home. Then it arrives. An email with the subject line, "Urgent overdue invoice, action required immediately." His eyes go to it right away. Something feels off, but he can't quite place it yet. Let's slow it down and look at what Marcus is seeing. The first red flag is urgency. Words like urgent, immediately, or act now are pressure tactics. They're designed to make you react before you think. Real finance teams don't threaten you with a 1-email deadline. The second red flag, the sender address doesn't match. Attackers register domains that look almost right, a dash here, a word added there. Vendor.com becomes vendor-billing-secure.net. It looks real at a glance. But take 1 extra second to read it fully. Third red flag, suspicious links. The link text might say view invoice, but hover over it and the real URL tells a completely different story. Unfamiliar domains, random strings of characters, or .xyz endings are all warning signs. Never click before you check. So let's bring those 3 together. Urgency that rushes you. A sender address that doesn't quite match. And a link that goes somewhere unexpected. Spot any one of these, pause. Spot 2 or more, trust that instinct completely. Back to Marcus. He's tired, but something tells him to slow down. He doesn't click the link. He doesn't forward it to finance. He pauses. And then he does exactly the right thing. He uses the report phishing button right there in his email toolbar. 1 click. That's it. He doesn't need to call IT, write an explanation, or feel embarrassed. 1 click sends the alert directly to our security team. And here's what happens next, our security team reviews it. If it's a real threat, they act on it fast, and they may even send a heads up to the rest of the team. Your 1 click can protect every single person at Lumen Analytics. That's not small. That's huge. What if you're genuinely not sure whether something is a phishing email? That's completely okay, and it happens to everyone. When in doubt, report it anyway. Our security team would always rather review something real than miss something dangerous. You will never be in trouble for reporting. Let's do a quick recap. Watch for urgency that pushes you to act fast. Check the sender address carefully, the whole thing. And hover before you click any link. 3 habits. That's all it takes. You don't need to be a cybersecurity expert to protect Lumen Analytics. You just need to pause for 1 extra second when something feels off. Trust that feeling. Use the report button. And know that every time you do, you're looking out for every one of your colleagues. Thank you, and stay safe out there.